Nice size cucumber. I think I'm gonna harvest this one. Make it be my first cucumber harvest of the season. Yes. Nice. I gotta open these areas up. Too many leaves covering the vines. Where the cucumbers are growing, they gotta get more sun. I need to open it up and get more air coming through here and more sun. Let's see, I think I see another one. Look at that one right there. Okay, I'll let that one get a little bigger. And this one here laying out here on like he on a hammock. Hanging out. Okay, I'm gonna let you get a little bigger too. Okay. Looking nice, looking nice. Cucumbers growing in Big Mama's garden.